Grand risings and good morning to some. We were just walking through the herb garden here, and at a distance it looks like we don't have much growing, but we have quite a bit of herbs, too many to name here in the herb garden. But this morning I want to talk to you about a particular herb that packs a powerful punch, and that herb is chives. It's an herb that grows on its own without your help necessarily in many landscapes. It kind of looks like grass, but there's a difference between grass and chives. I have a blade of grass here, and as you can see, hopefully, on the camera, that the blade of grass is flat and thin. The chives are cylindrical and a little thicker than grass. They're in the same family as onions and garlic, the allium family, and they contain quite a bit of nutritional value and medicinal properties. They contain vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K. They contain zinc. And before I go any further, I want to make sure I remind you to do your own research, because I'm bound to forget to mention some of the great qualities of chives. Um, Chives also are antibacterial, antimicrobial, they have antioxidants. Um, wow, antiviral. They're anti-cancerous. They help to slow down macular degeneration. They boost eye health. They slow down the progression of cataracts. This is a very, very powerful plant, and you have to allow it to grow. Learn the profile of the herbs in your landscape. Redevelop a relationship with your landscape, not so much with your landscaper. Your landscaper is going to come in with the lawnmower and a weed whacker and maybe some herbicide, weed killer, and just make you have a bunch of grass, a bunch of these blades of grass, which serve little purpose. Maybe you could use them, and yeah, you can use them as fertilizer for that which you really want to grow. But grow chives. Chives is very, very, very good for your health. Also, I did want to mention, don't cook them as much as possible. Eat them raw. So if you are adding them to any dishes that you might cook, you want to, at the end of the cooking process of that particular dish, that's when you add your chives. Because the more you cook them, the more you rob them of their nutritional and medicinal value. This has been your natural mystic medicine man, bringing you more good news from nature. I'm going to talk to you soon. Peace and guidance.